OneMain Financial personal loans are designed to be accessible and fast, offering loan amounts from $1,500 up to $20,000. The process is straightforward, starting with an online application that can be completed in just minutes, followed by almost immediate feedback on eligibility and loan options. For anyone facing urgent expenses or looking to take care of things like car repairs, medical bills, or even consolidate debt, OneMain promises funds as soon as 1 hour after the loan closes if using a debit card for disbursement. This level of speed is a clear step up from traditional banks, making it a practical choice for people who can't afford to wait when financial emergencies strike. The appeal is not just in the rapid funding, but also in the fixed rates and flexible terms. Borrowers can choose repayment windows ranging from 24 to 60 months, which can help stretch payments to fit a tight budget or pay down the loan more aggressively if finances allow. The APRs do run high, anywhere from 18.00% up to 35.99%. So these loans tend to appeal most to people who either need access to money quickly or who can't qualify for a lower interest option elsewhere. Both secured and unsecured loans are available, and OneMain makes a point of being inclusive by considering a variety of credit histories, which opens their offerings to a broader customer base. The company also has a strong branch presence for those who prefer in-person service, though the digital application and funding process is convenient for those who want everything handled online. One of the better features is that checking your rate before applying won't hurt your credit score, which is a real advantage for anyone shopping around to compare options. There's also no penalty for repaying the loan early, so if someone is able to pay it off ahead of schedule, they can avoid extra interest charges, a plus for borrowers worried about long-term debt. Funds can be received via direct deposit to a bank account, through a check at a branch, or via debit card, giving good flexibility depending on individual preference and urgency. But it's not all upsides. The most glaring drawback is the cost. With APRs starting relatively high and reaching up to 35.99%, the price of borrowing through OneMain can be steep, especially compared to credit unions or lenders focused on lower risk borrowers. Origination fees also apply and can be significant, running either as a flat amount from $25 up to $500 or as a percentage of the loan from 1% to 10%, depending on state regulations. There are also late payment fees, which can pile up quickly, and even return payment (NSF) fees that range from $10 to $50, depending again on the state. It means borrowers need to be realistic about their budget and repayment timeline to avoid extra charges. When it comes to the actual loan decision, OneMain considers a person's entire financial situation, including credit, income, expenses, and whether collateral is available and valuable enough. So while it's open to a wide range of applicants, terms and rates will be highly personalized, and those with lower credit scores or thinner finances will see higher costs. In summary, OneMain Financial's personal loans deliver on speed, flexibility, and accessibility, making them a viable option for people dealing with unexpected expenses or seeking a relatively quick and easy borrowing process. However, borrowers pay for this convenience with higher interest rates and fees that can add up. So it's crucial to weigh the benefits of fast funding and inclusive loan decisions against the risk of expensive long-term debt. For anyone considering these loans, it's important to calculate the costs carefully and make sure the repayment commitment fits within the budget, or else the relief from a quick loan could end up dragging out financial stress far longer than planned.